Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Vaz Preparatory from Kingston up against Naggo Head Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Naggo Head Primary won. They decided that Vaz Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, Vaz, we begin with Bible knowledge. Which book comes immediately before the book of the Psalms in the Bible?
Job!
Correct. Now go ahead, Bible knowledge. What comes immediately before the book of Nehemiah in the Bible?
Ezra.
Correct. Vaz, science. In the mouth, what contains special enzymes that starts to break down starchy food while chewing?
Saliva.
Correct. Now go ahead, science. What cells in the retina change light into electrical signals for the brain?
The rods and cones.
Correct. Vaz, international affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Jovenel Moise.
Correct. International affairs. Now go ahead. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. It's a visual question.
Derek Harrison.
Incorrect. Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, Gaston Brown. Vaz, English language. Spell suspicious.
Suspicious. S-U-S-P-I-C-I-O-U-S.
Correct. English language to you. Now go ahead. Spell the word dispensation.
Dispensation. D-I-S-S... D-I-S-P-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N.
Correct. Vaz, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Regina King.
Incorrect. Queen Latifah. Now go ahead. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. It's a visual question. Television.
Oprah Winfrey.
Incorrect. Regina King. Vaz Prep, general knowledge. Xbox is a gaming console released by which technology company?
Microsoft.
Correct. General knowledge to you. Now go ahead. PlayStation is a video game system that was released by which computer entertainment company?
Nintendo.
Incorrect. Sony. Vaz, social studies. In what year was the Universal Negro Improvement Association, UNIA, founded?
1914.
Correct. Now go ahead, social studies. Which Jamaican national hero was a winner of the 100 yards at Boys Champs?
Norman Manley.
Correct. Vaz Prep, music. How many notes comprise a musical scale?
Eight.
Correct. Now go ahead, music. What is the name for a series of 8 notes occupying the interval between 2 notes?
Scale.
Incorrect. Octave. Mathematics to you, Vaz. What is 43,469 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
40,000.
Correct. Now go ahead, mathematics. What is 32,539 rounded to the nearest 1,000?
33,000.
Correct. Vaz Prep, sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Sonny Richard Ross.
Correct. Now go ahead, sports. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Alison Felix.
Correct. Vaz Prep, science. What part of the body is treated by a neurologist?
Brain.
Correct. Science to you. Now go ahead. What part of the body is treated by a chiropodist?
Feet.
Feet.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of the first round. The scores currently read Vaz Prep on 10 and Naggo Head Primary on 7. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, develop your own study tactics which work for you. What works for another child may not be the best approach for you. So find out what makes you perform at your best and stick to that routine. Stay with us. This match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.